Hello, I am going to show you how to use Myschoolbucks to pay for the prom. So you would go to myschoolbucks.com and then you would click where it says log in. Now, once you're here, you would log in if you are a returning customer, and then you'd be in. But if you haven't set up an account for Myschoolbucks, you would just go down here to where it says don't have an account, sign up today. So from here, you would just need to find our state. So you would just go to New York, and then you would just look for East Northport School District. Now here is where you're going to put your name, first and last, your cell phone number, and your email address, and a password, and a couple of security questions. And then down here, once you finish that, you would click Create Account. Now, once you click here, and I don't have a screen that looks like this, it would ask you to add your child. So you would click Add Child. You would add your child's name and your child's school ID number. It's like a 10-digit barcode, like a code number that's you can find it in eSchool. Your child probably knows it. It's on their ID. So you would do that, and then you would add your child. Once you add your child and you've created the account, you've added your child, you would have a screen that looks like this. You would head over to where it says Store, and when you click on Store, you would click on the button that says Browse All Items. And then right here is where you would click Senior Prom. And then you would just go through and you would pay. And that is how you do it. Have a great day. See you at the prom.